Looking for an electric foldable bike? With MOAR you won't give up to anything. It has a 1 kilowatt electric motor. Not the most powerful ever, but just enough to tow a car. The frame is foldable, but it's aircraft-grade aluminum. It has high-quality components and parts. It's completely suspended with a dual full 100mm suspension system. And with fat tires, you can easily go for an extreme off-road. It's safe, too. Its electrical system has powerful lights, stops and direction indicators. All in all, a sturdy, foldable electric bike, fully suspended, with a pretty decent powertrain and safe. I want one bike like this one.